Get acquainted with the 2020 Hyundai Kona. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Every drive is fun and fresh in this agile and versatile Kona. This subcompact crossover SUV prioritizes enjoyment thanks to easy touchscreen infotainment, tech-savvy amenities, a comfortable cabin, and spirited handling. What's more, its advanced safety features give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Feel the freedom to have fun when you're behind the wheel of this spirited Kona. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.